Hello guys, now before this video starts, I'm just gonna say today's music has been brought to you by Audio Library. The song is called 80s by Chill Carrier. Hi guys, I'm using a file that I already created. This file can be downloaded from my Kick-Ass link I left in the description, and we're simply moving on. We're going to see our next object. Our next ability is called Occlude. Now, what is an occluder, how does it work, and what does it do? Basically, we first need to create an object. This should be, and scale it, something like this. Yeah, should be fine. Now, this object for us is nothing until we give it an occluder ability. Occluder will not render anything that is inside it. So if you have objects, if you have many rooms, a good number of rooms, for instance in first-person shooter, or you're creating RPG with a lot of elements where you have point and click and so forth, and you do not wish to burden your processes, basically any object that is inside this occluder will not be rendered to the camera. So let's demonstrate this, and let me show you how it works. Now I need to edit this object. I'm going to select its faces. This is face selection. Select this face and delete this face. Now, everything in modeling should be done. I'm going to move it. As you see, I'm moving it here. This is the empty where we are spawning our rocks from previous video. Now, when we are working with our occluder, the best way to see how it works is in Z mode. Pressing the Z key, we see the wireframe mode. Now, as you remember, occluder is set to visible, our box here is set to visible, and our sensor is set to invisible. So let's see what is going to happen. As you see, nothing that is behind the occluder is being rendered to us from this point of view. Now, if the camera was looking this way, nothing except the occluder will be shown. So occluders can be basically your rooms, walls, and something like that, or you can put occluders inside the walls, which will make it interesting. But yeah, so let me show you what happens if I'm moving my player through our sensor. Now, at one point, as you see, our boxes are showing up. Why? Because they exited the occluder. If we look at it from this side, where we have a hole, as you can see, even the walls are not shown. So yeah, it's rather interesting. However, because I'm looking at the face that I removed, I can see the boxes. Basically, this is an optimization. This is a tool so you can optimize your game, make it faster and have it better performance. So this is the use of the occluder. I hope you like it, and see you next video.